Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from Kraken to Cold Wallet. So let's get straight into it. So first what we will need to do is basically connect our Cold Wallet to our computer or phone and open its companion app. So if you have Ledger, you will open Ledger Live. If you have Trezor, you will open up Trezor Suite. So let me open up here the treasure suit just like that. Let just confirm like so. All right. Now we will transfer Ethereum, let's say. Right here, I will select Ethereum, as you can see here at the bottom. And right now I don't have any transaction, but I can click here on the receive button. All right. As you can see, warning, that address can't be verified without connected Trezor. So for that, uh, showing purpose is just, I don't need that. So I will show you how to get the address. So now click on show full address. And just like that, it will open up basically your QR code with some numbers at the bottom, which are important. So after that, when you get this, just click the copy button right here. So we have now copied our address from Trezor Suite. Now what we need to do is head over back to the Kraken app. And what we are going to do here is let's go to the withdraw button, select the Ethereum. And now right here, we will also need to select the network through which we want to transfer. So Ethereum now. So now here you need to make sure that your address of your wallet also is basically the same which you will select here in Kraken. So let's say Polygon. I will select it now. And now what I can do here is just paste in my address, add a name, a nickname for my withdraw address here. For the next time, if I will do the same thing again, and after that, just add withdraw address and confirm. And after a few minutes, you will get your um, Ethereum here to the cold wallet. Like I see Bitcoin. So you will see Ethereum right here over here, like you see Bitcoin. So this is pretty much it what you need to do. Really make sure that the address is correct and make sure that the networks are the same on your Kraken and Cold Wallet app, that you will not lose your funds or your cryptocurrencies. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.